Big guy living under the bed. I gobble up a sock before you turn your head. Like a boat to light. I'll make your heart jump. My name is Mr. Bumpy. I go bump, bump, bump. Yeah, bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity bump.
Everybody bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity yeah. He goes 100 miles an hour, he's doing dynamite. His name is Mr. Bumpy, he goes bumping the night. It's Bump with Squishy.
She's my very best pal.
Bump with Molly.
She's my favorite gal. Bump of Closet Monster and Destructo too. But those guys don't bother Bumpy. He knows what to do. Say bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity bump.
Everybody bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity yeah. He goes 100 miles an hour, he's doing dynamite. His name is Mr. Bumpy, he goes bumping the night.
You can bump with the doll, bump with the bug. Bump on the ceiling or bump on the rug. And you can bump too from the east to the west. Just bump with the monster you love best. Say bump.
Bump, bump, bumpity bump.
Everybody bump.
Bumpity yeah. He goes 100 miles an hour, he's doing dynamite. His name is Mr. Bumpy, he goes bumping the night.
My name is Mr. Bumpy, I go bump in the night. Picture this. You and me, the first to reach the man in the moon and fly up his nose.
I think it's full, Captain Bumpy.
Then shut the valve, Junior Space Cadet.
Oh, horrors! What have I done? Are you in grievous, insufferable pain, Mr. Bumpy?
What a rush! Why'd you turn the wrong valve? Boy, only a doofus would do that. Hey, wait up, True Blue Dude. Where you going? Yoo-hoo! The galaxies are calling. Oh, open up, co-pilot. Don't you want to see the moon?
I see plenty. Besides, who wants a doofus for a co-pilot?
Oh, if only I hadn't said those heinous words. If only the syllables did not pass my lips. If only I could go back in time and unsay what I said. Hey, why not? This is a cartoon after all. Only problem is, how do you time travel when you need to? That's it. I'll sneeze myself back in time. Bumpy, you're a genius. Okay. Good. It's working. I'm so cute when I'm backwards. I should like to get off here, please. This time, I'll teach the Squishman the right valve so he can't mess up. Fujade. Take 5, dude. I'll take it from here. An imposter. Imposter? Check my passport, boy, because you're looking at the one and only Chief Bull Goose, King of the Hill, USDA Prime, Bump Roaster. Prove it with relish. A burp challenge, eh? Told you. Hold the phone, Squishy. Don't move a missile. A little rocket humor. Today's lesson is nozzle identification. This is the pressure lock. When we turn it, it holds Mr. Pressure in. Can you say that? In. And this is the release valve. No toucho. Comprende? Repeat after me. Green, good. Blue, bad. Green, good. Blue, bad.
Don't you mean blue, stupid, like me?
Oh, look, Squish Sticks. I'm just helping you not mess up.
You think I'm a mess up? Then do it yourself!
Okay, I made it worse. So sue me. Whoop. Here's me stop. Excuse me? Get lost. Get a clue. Hey, bros, chill on the tood. Why do you two bumpaleros always have to do everything your way? Why do you? Well, 'cause I'm from the future, so I'm older. No, I am. Get off of my foot. Go suck a rat's toes. Fuck off. That is for hurting Squishamio's feelings. Back to the launching pad. Darling Squishington, please pump away to your gentle heart's content. That's okay. There you really go, Buddy Buster. Gosh, that was fun. Thanks, Wishington.
You mean you're not mad, Mr. Bumpy?
Oh, of course not, Squishy, no. You're my main monster, right, Bud?
Right, Mr. Bumpy.
Hallelujah! I finally did it right! Well, boss, will you steal my bad looks and my butt? Take this and add a couple of these!
Stop, please! All of you stop! Can't you just get along?
Look! You scared Squishington! Me? I'm the one not offending him!
Offending?
You've never been nice to the poor doofus.
Doofus?
Always! He's my pal, even when he does incredibly stupid things!
Stupid things? You're all mean! And I'm never coming out again, never, ever, ever, ever!
Arg! Instead of making things better, we've made it 3 times worse! 3 times more insulting! 3 times more offensive! Isn't there any way to make our pal feel better? Are you the ghost of Christmas past?
Oh, no, you little Dickens. I'm Squishington! Actually, I am a future Squishington come back through time to help you. Oh, and you too.
Impart thy wisdom, your squishiositude.
I never forgot this fateful day when my best chum split into 3 and insulted me. You see, once you say a mean thing, you cannot take it back.
Then there is no hope.
Au contraire, Sybil, there is always hope. He decides.
Gasp! Who is she, oh wise Squishington?
She is the moral fairy. Here to drive home the point of my story.
Okay, number 1, you must learn from your mistake. Number 2, you must never do it again. And number 3,
Shake well before using?
no. Number 3 is apologize. Tell Squishington you're sorry.
Why, I should have figured it out with my new brain. And I should have felt it in my heart.
Knock it off.
Just do it! We're sorry, Squishington. Honest, really. We'll never do it again.
Ooh, how did you know just the right word to say?
I had a little help from a friend. I don't know who he was or where he got that scaggy fairy, but I wanted to thank him.
How come there's still 3 of you, Mr. Bumpy?
Ooh, you're right, Squish. Hey, you two, show's over. You can vanish now. You vanish. I'm staying. Why, I oughta... Oh, yeah?
Oops. Guess that means it's the end of the show.
This is ABC.